over here. Oops. This is green on top and orange is on the bottom. And those are the boys. Blue boy is all full but wants to play. Little Miss Yellow. And then we got our pink purple. Such good puppies. Such good puppies. You can see that pan was completely full. And it's pretty much gone. Purple is still trying to figure out, I want to eat, I want to eat. I don't know if I dare. Green boy's going at it again. So proud of the puppies. The one bonking down here, I believe, is Yellow Girl. You can kind of see what orange looks like, kind of messy. He really enjoyed himself. These puppies are just a blast. Oops. Pink had enough. She tired and full. All right, we'll take more later.